Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for discovering the best, most practical gadgets in the market. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best portable sewing machine for beginners and quick repairs, the Xamanabu handheld sewing machine. Compact, lightweight, and ready to go straight out of the box, this tiny titan is all about smart sewing without the hassle. Right out of the package, the Xamanabu handheld machine delivers a user-friendly experience that's designed for ease. The ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand, removing the intimidation factor of traditional bulky sewing machines. It's ideal for absolute beginners or anyone who just wants to make quick fixes without setting up a whole workstation. And don't worry about threading, the machine comes pre-threaded from the manufacturer, so you can start stitching right away. That small piece of cloth you see attached? It's just there for testing, not a used item. What really makes this mini machine stand out is its dual speed mode. Whether you're patching a hole in a shirt or customizing fabric pieces for a project, you get two fixed speeds, one for fast, efficient stitching and another for slow, more precise control. Despite its compact build, the power is surprisingly strong, making it reliable for crafting and everyday repairs alike. Now, let's talk about power. The Xamanabu gives you flexible options. Run it on 4Ah batteries, perfect for those moments when you're away from a power source, or plug it in via the included USB cable when you're working from home. Switching between power modes is seamless, giving you total control wherever you are. It's important to note that this sewing machine uses a single thread feed system. That means it's best suited for quick fixes and lightweight fabrics. Think t-shirts, curtains, pillowcases, and DIY decorations, not heavy-duty denim or layered quilts. It's your go-to for adjustments, quick repairs, and even creative projects that don't require industrial strength. Inside the box, you'll find all the basic accessories to get you started. It includes threading needles, bobbins, spindles, safety scissors, and even a piece of practice fabric. Whether you're buying it for yourself or gifting it to a craft lover, it's all about convenience and creativity combined. Just add your own thread and you're ready to go. A small but crucial tip. Since this is a monofilament machine, you'll need to tie the thread manually after stitching. Otherwise, it will unravel. It's a small learning curve, but easy enough to get used to. To sum it up, the Xamanabu handheld sewing machine is compact, easy to use, beginner-friendly, and ideal for light fabric work. If you want a fuss-free sewing tool for simple tasks and creative moments, this is a fantastic pick that won't overwhelm you with complicated features. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a gadget you want us to review next. Until then, sew smart, not hard.